Every keystroke matters when you have the right mechanical keyboard. In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best mechanical keyboards, comparing typing feel, build quality, features, and value to help you choose the perfect one. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Redragon K689 Pro Wireless 108-key Gasket RGB Gaming Keyboard, for hotkeys, extra shortcut keys, zero delay tri-mode, cushion noise dampening for creamy thocky sound, unfaded PBT keycaps, pro software. The Redragon K689 Pro Wireless Gaming Keyboard is built for gamers, professionals, and keyboard enthusiasts who want premium typing performance with flexible connectivity. It features a full-size 108-key layout, tri-mode wireless connectivity with 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth, and USB-C, gasket-mounted construction, customizable RGB lighting, PBT keycaps, and 4 programmable shortcut keys for added productivity. The keyboard is also designed with multiple layers of sound dampening material, producing the smooth, creamy thocky typing sound that many mechanical keyboard users appreciate. Whether you're gaming, working, or creating content, it delivers a premium experience without sacrificing comfort. In real-world use, the K689 Pro feels responsive and stable during long gaming sessions as well as extended typing. The gasket-mounted design softens each keystroke, reducing vibration while creating a quieter and more satisfying typing feel compared to traditional mechanical keyboards. Overall, the Redragon K689 Pro Wireless Gaming Keyboard is an excellent choice for American buyers looking for a feature-packed mechanical keyboard that combines premium build quality, smooth typing, wireless flexibility, and customizable performance for both gaming and everyday work. Number 2. Olla F75 75% Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, hot-swappable creamy keyboard, pre-lube linear switches, 2.4 GHz Type-C/BT 5.0, RGB backlit gaming keyboards. The AULA F75 wireless mechanical keyboard is designed for gamers, students, and professionals who prefer a compact mechanical keyboard without sacrificing performance or typing comfort. Its 75% layout saves valuable desk space while still keeping essential function keys within easy reach. Equipped with hot-swappable switches, factory pre-lube linear switches, tri-mode connectivity through 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C, along with vibrant RGB backlighting, the F75 offers a premium typing experience that's suitable for gaming, productivity, and everyday computing. The compact design also makes it easy to carry between home, school, and the office. In everyday use, the pre-lube linear switches provide a smooth, quiet keystroke with the satisfying creamy feel that many keyboard enthusiasts enjoy. The hot-swappable PCB allows users to replace switches without soldering, making future customization simple and beginner-friendly. Switching between multiple devices is fast and convenient, allowing the keyboard to pair with desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones with minimal effort. RGB lighting adds personality to any workspace while remaining fully customizable, and the durable construction feels solid during long gaming sessions or extended typing. While users who rely heavily on a dedicated number pad may prefer a full-size keyboard, the compact layout offers an excellent balance between functionality and space efficiency. Overall, the Olla F75 wireless mechanical keyboard is an outstanding choice for American buyers seeking a compact, customizable mechanical keyboard that delivers smooth typing, reliable wireless performance, and premium features at an excellent value. Number 3. Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Illuminated Keyboard Tactile, Graphite Illuminated Performance, Backlit Keys, Bluetooth, USB-C, macOS, Windows, Linux, iOS, Android, Metal Construction. The Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless Keyboard is a premium mechanical keyboard designed for professionals who want the precision of mechanical switches combined with the productivity features of a modern wireless keyboard. Built with a durable metal construction, tactile low-profile mechanical switches, intelligent backlit keys, and support for Bluetooth and USB-C connectivity, it works seamlessly with Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android devices. In everyday use, the tactile mechanical switches provide satisfying feedback without being overly loud, making the keyboard suitable for offices as well as home environments. The smart backlighting automatically illuminates as your hands approach and adjusts brightness based on ambient lighting, helping improve visibility while conserving battery life. Multi-device connectivity allows users to switch effortlessly between computers, tablets, and smartphones, making it especially useful for professionals working across multiple devices. The low-profile keys reduce finger fatigue during extended typing sessions, while the solid metal top plate gives the keyboard a premium, stable feel. Although it focuses more on productivity than gaming, it still delivers fast, accurate performance for a wide range of everyday tasks. Overall, the Logitech MX mechanical wireless keyboard is an outstanding choice for American buyers seeking a premium mechanical keyboard that combines excellent build quality, intelligent features, comfortable typing, and dependable wireless performance. Number 4. RK Royal Klugis 98 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard with Smart Display and Knob. 96% top mount RGB gaming keyboard. BT/2.4G/USB-C, 5-layer noise dampening, creamy sound pre-loop switch, hot swap, 98 keys. The RK Royal Klugis 98 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is built for gamers, creators, and keyboard enthusiasts who want advanced features and a compact yet highly functional layout. Featuring a 96% layout, smart display, programmable control knob, tri-mode connectivity through Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C, along with hot-swappable switches and 5 layers of noise dampening, it delivers an impressive balance of customization, comfort, and performance. The keyboard also includes vibrant RGB lighting and pre-loop switches that produce the smooth, creamy typing sound many enthusiasts enjoy. In real-world use, the compact layout saves desk space while retaining a number pad, making it ideal for both gaming and productivity. The built-in smart display provides quick access to useful information in keyboard settings, while the multifunction control knob offers convenient adjustment of volume and other functions. The layered sound dampening minimizes vibration and creates a quieter, more refined typing experience. Tri-mode connectivity makes switching between multiple devices simple, and the hot-swappable PCB allows users to customize switches without soldering. Although it has a learning curve due to its many advanced features, it rewards users with excellent flexibility and long-term customization. Overall, the RK Royal Klugis 98 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is an excellent choice for American buyers looking for a feature-rich mechanical keyboard that combines premium typing comfort, extensive customization, and reliable wireless performance. Number 5. Kist KN85 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, 75% layout, Bluetooth/2.4 GHz/USB-C, custom RGB backlit, hot-swappable linear switch, creamy sound for gaming/typing. The Kist KN85 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is designed for users who want a compact mechanical keyboard that performs equally well for gaming, work, and everyday typing. Featuring a space-saving 75% layout, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C connectivity, customizable RGB backlighting, hot-swappable linear switches, and a smooth creamy typing feel, it offers an excellent combination of portability, flexibility, and modern features. During everyday use, the hot-swappable switches allow users to personalize the typing experience without soldering, making future upgrades simple and beginner-friendly. The pre-tuned linear switches deliver smooth keystrokes with minimal noise, making the keyboard comfortable for long work sessions as well as competitive gaming. Multi-device wireless connectivity allows seamless switching between desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones, while customizable RGB lighting lets users personalize their setup. Overall, the Kist KN85 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is an excellent choice for American buyers looking for a compact, customizable mechanical keyboard that delivers smooth typing, dependable wireless connectivity, and outstanding value for both gaming and productivity. That wraps up my top 5 best mechanical keyboard picks. I hope this comparison helped you find the right keyboard for work or gaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.